Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? Welcome back with Mr. Muad al-Jbawi. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we're going to explain and discuss lesson 1 to evaluate numerical expressions. It is on page 53. By the end of this lesson, students inshallah will be able to use order of operations to evaluate numerical expressions with decimals and fractions. First of all, let's know what's the order of operations that used in this lesson. Here we start order of operations. We have to evaluate first the parentheses and brackets, which we call grouping symbols, then evaluate exponents or powers, then multiplication and divide from left to right, and finally add and subtract from left to right. We can say that we can summarize, we can collect all of these operations in one word. It's PEMDAS or BIDMAS, P for parentheses, E for exponent, and M for multiplication, D for division, and A for addition, and S for subtraction. Here we have one example. In this example, we will use the order of operations to find the final answer. Here we have half multiply 4 power 2, subtract, then we have brackets, 2 plus, then parentheses 3.6, divide 0.9, close the parentheses and close the brackets. As we know, the first step, it is parentheses and brackets inside from inside out. What we can say in this case, here we have to start by the from inside, which means we have parentheses first. 3.6 divide 0.9, it is 4. So now after the parentheses we have the brackets. So we have 2 plus 4 equals 6, and we bring the other elements. Now we have half multiply 4 power 2 minus 6. 4. Now after the grouping symbols, after the parentheses and the brackets, we have the exponents or the power. 4 power 2 equals 16. 16. Now we have multiply and subtract, but multiply first. 16 times half equals 8. Finally we have subtraction. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Now let's see more examples. Here we have in this page now first question in the guided practice, we have insert parentheses to make this number sentence true. Now we have to suppose and we have to try to put the brackets or parentheses in different places and try. If we try here to put the parentheses here and we group 5 and 4 together. So now let's calculate this brackets or this parentheses. It will become 8 divided by 80 equals 10. Multiply. Now we go to the second parentheses. It's 5 plus 4 equals 9. So here we have 10 multiply 9 equals 90. So the parentheses will be here and here. Now let's go to the second kind of questions. Here number 2, in the expression 21 minus 3 multiply 7 plus 2 divide 12 minus 4. What operation should you perform last and why? Uh, Before I answer this question, I hope you can pause the video, stop video, and think for 30 seconds, then answer the question. Okay, here first we have to perform all the parentheses, this and this and this. Then we have here first we have to do 21 minus 3. Here we have to do 7 plus 2. Then we do 12 minus 4. Then we multiply 21 minus 3 equals 18. Multiply 18 by 9. Then divide by 12 minus 4, which is 8. So the last step will be division. First we do the parentheses, then the multiply, then the division will be the last step. Now I will work with you together on a question number 3 and 5. Then I will let you stop the video and pause it for 2 minutes and try to do 4 and 6. Then come back to the video again to see the answers. And number 3, we have power and we have parentheses, we have subtraction inside parentheses. So first we have to do the parentheses here. 6.7 minus 3.1 equals 3.6. Now 5 over 2 equals 25. So 25 plus 3.6 equals 28.6. If we go to another or more complicated example as number 5. In number 5, we have parentheses, we have brackets, we have exponents, we have many operations. So we have to think about it. First of all, we have to start by the grouping symbols, which is parentheses and brackets from inside out. So we have to by parentheses 7.3 plus 3.6 equals 10.9. 10.9 minus 4.7. 10.9 minus 4.7 equals 6.2. 6.2. Now here we have here instead of this 6.2 plus 1.8 minus 2.2. 2 power 2. 2 power 2 equals 4. Now we have 6.2 plus 1.8 minus 4, which is 4, because 6.2 plus 1.8 equals 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now I will leave the ground for you. I hope you can stop or pause the video for 2 minutes or 3 minutes and do questions 4 and 6, and then complete the video to see the answers and check your answers. Yes, here our answers. Yes, here question 4 and question 6. Now try, each one of you try to do the questions. Each one try to do one question, 7 or 8 or 9, and he asked these questions. Use the order of operation to evaluate each expression. So I hope you can try 1 or 2 examples. Stop the video, work in your examples that you want to do and then complete the video to see your answers. Here, yes, that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you get benefit from this video, and inshallah, we will keep working in the same rhythm and same pace. And if you have any question, you can ask me anytime. Thank you very much.